American Health Front is a presentation of Medical Media Group and the following physicians and healthcare organizations.
Today on the American Health Front, learning that you have cancer can change your life. Luckily, treatments have evolved. New technology is less invasive and offers pinpoint accuracy. We'll discover how dental lasers can give you a beautiful, healthy smile faster and with no pain. So please stay with us as we explore a multi-specialty dental practice that provides a variety of services in one location. Hello everyone, I'm Ernie Bjorkman. Welcome to the American Health Front. The purpose of our program is to educate and inform you, the viewer, about treatment options now available in the ever-changing world of medicine. This is a special New York edition of American Health Front. Our staff has teamed up with some of the area's finest physicians and healthcare facilities to explore the fascinating frontiers of today's healthcare, with reports on new techniques and technologies that could really change your life. So stay with us, because there is nothing more important than your health. Finding out you have cancer can be frightening news, but treatment doesn't have to be, thanks to advanced technology. The CyberKnife Center at Stamford Hospital is proud to offer CyberKnife treatment, the next generation of innovative cancer treatment. CyberKnife delivers superior accuracy using state-of-the-art sophisticated technology as well as continual image guidance to provide the best outcome for patients.
The role of CyberKnife for malignant brain tumors is mostly for tumors that originated somewhere else and spread to the brain. In addition to malignant tumors, CyberKnife can be an excellent treatment for benign tumors such as meningiomas, acoustic neuromas, and vascular malformations. Over the past 10 years, CyberKnife's use has expanded to include sites beyond the brain. Typically, selected tumors of the spine, lung, liver, pancreas, recurrent head and neck cancer, and prostate gland may be candidates.
CyberKnife treatment minimizes damage to healthy tissues as it zeroes in on tumors and lesions with pinpoint accuracy.
CyberKnife uses continual image guidance to treat lesions with extreme accuracy. Due to robotic mobility, CyberKnife automatically corrects for motion. For tumors moving with respiration, the CyberKnife dynamically tracks target motion throughout the respiratory cycle. CyberKnife treatments are given in 1 to 5 treatments. No burdensome immobilization frames are needed, and treatments are painless.
Well, actually, I had 5 treatments, and I was able to return to work right after each and every treatment. So it kind of gives you an idea of recovery. Yeah. It's immediate. The process, the treatment itself is totally non-invasive. So it's really a terrific treatment.
Stamford Hospital, the regional center for health, where experience, skill, and innovation meet.
If you'd like more information about anything featured on today's program, or if you miss any of the important numbers that will be shown throughout our program, please call 1-800-984-2010. Our staff will be happy to direct you to the medical professional that could be of particular interest to you.
What do you see when you look in the mirror? Does the image looking back at you reflect the person inside? Board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Scott Spiro of Spiro Plastic Surgery, named New Jersey Monthly Top Doctor for the past 5 years, is not only a highly accomplished plastic surgeon, he's also an inspirational and talented artist.
Women who have finished having children often come in with complaints of how pregnancies, combined with age, have changed their bodies, and the improvements that they seek can't really be achieved necessarily by just proper nutrition and exercise alone. They require surgical procedures to improve the youthful appearance of breast and body and restore core strength. We're focusing really on all aspects: surgical aspect, fitness, nutrition, motivational. This may require a breast lift, a lift alone, a lift with implants, implants alone, body contouring such as liposuction, fat grafting, moving fat from less desirable to more desirable locations, or tummy tuck or body lift procedures. The reason I call this process transformational is that the outcomes often exceed even the patient's own expectations. So in many cases, patients end up with bodies better looking and better functioning than they had ever had before or ever imagined. These patients have a personal sense of well-being and confidence which cannot be underestimated. So to me, these outcomes are truly inspirational and personally gratifying.
Combining these procedures together produces the results patients are looking for.
Dr. Spiro is truly an artist, and he just made me feel so comfortable the whole process throughout my surgery. I couldn't ask for anything better.
I feel great about my results with Dr. Spiro. The surgery gave me back my pre-baby body, and it was something that I would have been unable to do through diet and exercise alone.
Spiro Plastic Surgery, helping you look as beautiful on the outside as you feel on the inside.
American Health Front is a production of Medical Media Group and 2010 Productions.
It's estimated that we walk over 100,000 miles in our lifetime. That's more than 4 times around the earth. It's no wonder why so many people have problems with their feet. We spoke with a leading podiatrist and foot surgeon, Dr. Emmanuel Sergi of Park Avenue Podiatric Care, to learn about a common painful condition. It's called bunions.
A bunion is basically a painful bump found at the base of the big toe, which in time can grow from chronic irritation and cause the big toe to push towards and into the second toe. Women are more likely to develop bunions than men, and if caught early enough, can be treated without surgical intervention. There are many factors that can lead to the formation of bunions. One of these factors is genetics, and many of my patients will usually state that they have a family member with the same condition. Another contributing factor, and as we so often see here in the city, is the wearing of tight, pointy, high-heeled shoes for prolonged periods of time. On an initial visit, a full biomechanical exam is performed and x-rays are taken. This allows me to assess any misalignment in the big toe joint and decide which procedure would be necessary to correct the deformity.
Now let's explore slimline bunion surgery.
With the slimline bunionectomy, a small medial incision is placed at the base of the big toe, allowing me to visualize and gain access to the deformity. I will then remove any abnormal bony growth or mass, and if needed, I will reposition the bones that have shifted out of alignment due to the bunion deformity. A screw is then placed in the bone to maintain the correction, which also allows the patient to walk immediately after surgery. The slimline procedure also differs from other traditional surgical techniques in the way that the incision is now closed. I utilize a combination of 2 different skin closing techniques. The first leaves no suture behind that needs to be removed after surgery, and the second prevents shear forces or movement at the surgical site. This is what allows the patient to see virtually no visible scarring once the site has fully healed.
The result to my foot is great. It looks like a whole new foot. It's so great that I'm actually doing my other foot.
You don't need to take another painful step. Park Avenue Podiatric Care can help you return to your active lifestyle pain-free.
Injuries to young athletes are on the rise because more and more children and teens are participating in sports year-round.
Chiropractic Health Services provide safe and efficient treatment plans that can both prevent and rehabilitate these injuries. Dr. John O'Connor of Velocity Chiropractic and Physical Therapy in Red Bank, New Jersey, works with all levels of athletes to identify and manage sports injuries by maintaining musculoskeletal strength, fostering proper biomechanical function, and improving neurological response.
The force of movement that an athlete exerts during the unpredictable nature of sports impacts the spine and may result in muscle strains, irritated discs, and nerve inflammation. Soreness is typically a symptom of any biomechanical dysfunction that impairs performance.
Velocity Chiropractic performs a full, comprehensive patient history and exam to establish an accurate diagnosis and develop a safe and effective treatment plan.
A chiropractic exam incorporates orthopedic and muscle testing. The mechanism of injury and exam results will determine if an X-ray or MRI is needed for further study. Chiropractic adjustments accompanied by therapeutic modalities, including therapeutic ultrasound, infrared light therapy, and decompression are utilized during treatment. Additionally, a variety of corrective exercises maintain, strengthen, and restore flexibility to the injured part of the body and ultimately recondition the athlete to optimum health.
Well, after coming to docs, it's always really easy to communicate with them and let them know what exactly I'm feeling and what I really want to pinpoint. So it's really easy for them to find what's wrong and get help in that specific spot. So no matter what was really bothering me, I always felt just a little bit better.
The benefits of chiropractic care and treatment is that it relieves pain, restores function, and accelerates healing without the harmful side effects of medication or the risk of invasive surgery.
Velocity Chiropractic, proven chiropractic healthcare for lifelong fitness and wellness. Everyone wants a healthy and beautiful smile, but no one wants the discomfort of dental treatment. Advanced dental technology is very important, but so is finding the right dentist with the right skills. High-tech dental care is a top priority for cosmetic and laser specialists Dr. Bella and Dr. Gary Levingart.
Having the newest tools has changed our practice in so many positive ways. We are able to offer patients a variety of choices in treatment. Lasers allow us to give our patients comfortable, pain-free, faster, and more precise treatment. Dental lasers are the prelude to the healthy and confident smile.
Dr. Bella and Dr. Gary are experts in the use of dental lasers, allowing them to provide the highest level of comfort to their patients.
Lasers can reduce or eliminate the need to use a drill, the dreaded tool with an unpleasant sound and pain associated with it. When we use the laser to do a filling, all the patient hears is the noise of the popcorn popping, and the laser also desensitizes the tooth, so the patient does not feel any pain when having it done.
We can also use a laser to sterilize interior of the tooth during root canal therapy.
Lasers can be used to treat periodontal disease, more commonly known as gum disease, eliminating scalpels, sutures, and packing.
Laser technology is also used to save lives. Veloscope is a laser that allows us to use laser light beam to detect oral cancer.
Lasers are highly efficient, and we can get 10 shades lighter in just 20 minutes of bleaching.
I really love the results. It definitely brightens up my whole face and makes me feel more comfortable.
Doctors Bella and Gary Levingart combine experience with the most advanced dental technology. You can trust your smile to them.
There are many reasons why we go to the dentist. Finding a dental practice that offers a variety of services and treatments is a plus.
Dr. Michael Kokolas and the team at Bell Dental Care, a leading dental cosmetics and specialty care practice in Bayside, New York, do just that. Patients can get all of their dental care at one location at this multi-specialty office. So why would they go anywhere else?
At Bell Dental Care, our mission is to provide our patients with the highest quality dental care at our modern, state-of-the-art facility and offer a unique dental experience with the latest and proven technological equipment. We are proud that our office is a full-service dental practice. We are able to make available all types of dental specialties at our location for our patients' convenience, along with the comfort of our multilingual staff.
In Bell Dental Care, we have a full-service on-site lab allowing to us create accurate professional restoration, check the proper fit and function, quicker and easier. We have the CEREC computerized latest technology which allowing to perform ceramic crown in one visit.
We offer cosmetic treatments such as veneers, crowns and bridges, dentures and laser teeth whitening. We also provide pediatric dentistry, root canal therapy, orthodontic treatments, periodontics, which include surgical and non-surgical gum therapy. With iCAD cone beam 3D imaging, we are able to perform tooth extractions and dental implants. We can evaluate and treat TMJ disorders, sleep apnea, snoring, using Botox therapy and mouth guards. We offer complete treatments to all our patients.
Care and treatment are personalized because the individual needs of every patient is unique.
The benefits of a multi-specialty practice are that all specialists are in one location. Patients can feel confident that their treatment plan can be evaluated by all the doctors involved, carefully and precisely.
Bell Dental Care, your one-stop for all your dental treatments. Root canal. Your first reaction is probably to cringe at the thought of it. Well, today the procedure is relatively painless, but still, most of us would rather not have one. Dr. Jacques Dueck of Dueck Dental, as well as founder of AvoidRootCanal.org, tells us how utilizing oxygen and ozone treatment helps many people avoid needing a root canal.
A tooth that's had either a large area of decay, a history of large fillings, or a fracture, very often the nerve gets damaged. When that nerve gets damaged, what can happen is the infection spreads into the bone. When that happens, a root canal is needed. A tooth that had either a deep area of decay, a large filling, or a fracture can be saved with a root canal. A root canal is where we clean out the center of the nerve and fill it with a root canal filling material. But root canals have complex anatomy, and after a root canal is done, the tooth becomes brittle, can fracture. And even in the process of doing a root canal, damage can happen to the root itself. You can perforate the side of the root and cause irreparable damage.
Let's find out about vital pulp therapy, a safe and effective alternative to root canal treatment.
A vital pulp therapy, as the name implies, requires that the nerve be alive. If the nerve has already died, if the infection has already spread into the bone, this can't be done. But if the nerve is still alive, even if the decay or the fracture has reached into the nerve tissue, we can do this procedure. What's used is ozone, a medical disinfectant. We're using ozone gas, and we use ozonated water to completely disinfect the insides of the tooth. We use a laser to seal off the exposed nerve tissue, and then we use medications to help that nerve heal and help save the tooth from the requirement of a root canal. And we have the benefit of avoiding fracture to the tooth because the tooth is not dry, and we avoid the damage to the root which can happen during a root canal procedure in some cases.
It was painless, it was quick, it was easy, and I'm feeling great. It's more than 6 months later.
Dueck Dental. Experience you can trust. Problems associated with our mouth, teeth, and facial area can be caused from a variety of reasons. If you need a wisdom tooth extraction, bone regeneration, a cosmetic facial procedure, or anything in between, one of New Jersey Magazine's top dentists of 2011, Dr. Edward Kozlowski of the Center for Oral Surgery and Dental Implantology, promises you superior, gentle treatment.
At the Center for Oral Surgery, we provide a variety of surgical treatments, from simple extractions to complex lower and upper jaw reconstruction, as well as facial cosmetic treatments. With advances in medical and dental technology, dental implants became the standard of care in replacement of single or multiple teeth.
You'll experience exceptional high-tech care in their new facility with 4 state-of-the-art operatory suites.
In our facility, we utilized latest technology like CT scan for CT-guided and incision-free surgical techniques, so patients experience short surgical appointment and minimal to no discomfort after treatment. For the patient that we have today, we will take a CT scan, fabricate a surgical guide that we're going to utilize for a bone graft in preparation for the implant placement.